In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert and correct a hero banner to a one-container Flexbox. We'll be working inside WordPress using Elementor, and by the end, you'll have a clean, flexible hero banner built in a single container that's much easier to manage and style. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Pages menu and click it. You'll see a list of all your pages. Find the page that contains the hero banner you want to convert. Hover your mouse over that page title, and from the options that appear, click Edit with Elementor. This will open the page in the Elementor editor so we can rebuild the hero using a one-container Flexbox setup. Inside Elementor, look for the main content area where it says Drag Widget Here. Above that, click the plus icon. You'll be prompted to choose a structure. Here, select the Flexbox option. From there, choose a single container Flexbox. You can use either a column direction or a row direction. For this walkthrough, we'll use a column direction which stacks elements vertically, making it ideal for a typical hero layout with a heading, subheading, and button. Now that you have your container, its settings will appear in the panel on the left. Click the Style tab to add your hero background. Under background type, you can choose from classic, gradient, video, or slideshow. For this example, choose classic. Then click the image icon to add your hero image. A media pop-up will appear where you can pick an image from your media library, upload a new file, or even use a URL. Select or upload the image you want to use for your hero banner and apply it. Next, click the plus icon inside the container to add content. In the widgets panel on the left, find the heading widget. Drag and drop it into your container. Update the heading text to match your hero title, then fine-tune its settings under the Content, Style, and Advanced tabs so you get the right font, size, alignment, and spacing. Click the Add Element icon again and look for the Text Editor widget. Drag and drop it just below your heading. This will serve as your subheading or supporting text. Edit the text, then adjust typography, color, and spacing in the left panel, just like you did with the heading. Once more, click the Add Element icon, and this time search for the button widget. Drag it into the container underneath your text editor. In the left panel, update the button text with your call to action, such as Shop Now or View Collection. Add the link where you want the button to lead, then customize the style, hover effects, and alignment so it fits your design. When you're satisfied with your hero banner, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish or Update to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully converted your hero banner into a one-container Flexbox. From here, you can freely add more widgets or tweak the layout, but the core structure is now simplified and much easier to maintain.